Pony is reading a book. Wow, what an interesting book. She thinks of turnips. Looks like you want to grow radishes. She flew to land with a lot of plants. Let's mow the lawn with Pony. Wow, it's so professional. Now let's smoke the grass together. The land has been cleared. Let's start digging. Pony is very hardworking and careful. Next we will pulverize the soil. Ta-da! 3 beds have been excellently completed. Now comes the important step of planting radish seeds in every fiber of the soil. Pony worked very hard. It's commendable, isn't it? Fill in the soil so that the seeds are fixed below. Water the seeds to quickly germinate. Oh no, Opila Bird came to destroy. Stop, mean bird. It started eating the seed that Pony worked so hard to sow. The next morning, Pony went out to visit her vegetable garden. She thinks the seeds have grown into beautiful vegetable beds by now. Pony was shocked to see that her vegetable garden was destroyed. She asks Opila what it does. Angry Pony threw a fistful of dirt at Opila, but it dodged. She went home to get an iron cage to keep that hateful bird. She set a trap to wait for the bird. Opila smelled delicious corn and immediately fell into a trap. Haha, worth the spoiler. Pony starts to recede. Carefully water the vegetable garden. Wow! The vegetable garden has begun to sprout. Radishes grow up. Yeah, so the radish can also be harvested.
Wow!
Pony immediately plucked radishes to bring back to enjoy. Pony about teaching Opila not to do such destructive actions anymore. Opila understood the problem and they were happy together. A train crosses the road. In the train, there are Blue and Pony sitting happily talking to each other.
Oh my gosh!
Pony's water broke and bleeding a lot. Broken Blue is afraid to worry about her. The doctor said Pony's life could not be saved. Blue couldn't accept it. Blue is sad, hugging his wife, crying. The doctor started surgery to remove the babies. Very carefully take the baby out and cut the umbilical cord. Huh. The unfortunate Pony has been laid to rest. Blue ran to his wife crying and mourning. At that moment, the baby Pony was crying because she was hungry. Blue immediately gave me a bottle of milk to drink. Happy baby is back. Baby is out. Just need to change diapers. Pony baby was upset, so she cried. Blue took me to the bathroom to wash up and change diapers. Baby won't let Dad change diaper. The smell is horrible. Baby throws up because I can't stand it. Pony baby gets a clean butt. Dad brought baby into the tub. Pony baby loves it. Wash your hair clean. The shower drains the water, causing Pony to panic. Then, once you get used to it, you like it. Try someone. The blow dryer is too strong. The baby is clean again. I really like it. Father and son are happy to hug each other, but when they remember their mother, they are sad. This is SOS Orphanage. Couples come to adopt children. Three children waiting to be adopted. Hug and kiss the adopt Twilight Sparkle baby. Blue likes Rarity baby. Pink doesn't like Rarity baby.
Oh no!
Blue and Pink take Rainbow Dash baby away. Mommy Longlegs and Daddy Longlegs adopt Rarity baby. Rarity baby enjoys her new home. The bad smell emanating from Rarity Baby's body.
Take a bath.
Mommy Longlegs takes Rarity Baby to the bath. Mommy Longlegs took off Rarity Baby's dirty clothes. Rarity Baby enjoys her new bib. Mommy Longlegs pour water on Rarity Baby. Foamy soap. Among Us scrubs Rarity Baby's body. Drying hair dryer for Rarity Baby. Rarity Baby has been cleaned. Rarity Baby is self-deprecating because of the mole on her face. Mommy Longlegs came up with a way to remove moles for Rarity Baby. Rarity Baby sat down on the chair. The mole is sucked away by the machine. Rarity Baby is surprised that the mole has disappeared. Mommy Longlegs brings Pony some vegetables. Mommy Longlegs say goodbye to Pony. The whole farm was on fire.
Oh my god!
Twilight Sparkle. Oh.
Mommy Longlegs looks in the rubble to find Pony.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Mommy Longlegs turns into Pony's surgeon. Baby Pony is pulled from the womb. Baby Pony is washed clean.
Stop, baby.
I'm sorry.
Baby Pony enjoys taking a soap bath.
Wow! Oh!
Baby Pony was washed clean and wrapped in a yellow towel. Baby Pony is feeling hungry.
Oh yeah!
Baby Pony gets to drink milk, but she doesn't seem to like it.
Huh?
Hey, hey!
Looks like Baby Pony likes to eat vegetables like her mother.
Okay.
Carrots and radishes are scared when they know they are about to be chopped. shredded carrots and tubers put in a blender.
Oh.
Add a little water and turn on the blender. Oh no! Baby Pony is crying so loudly.
Come here.
Looks like Baby Pony really likes this drink. Baby Pony drank all the water and turned into a cute little girl. Mommy Longlegs is watching chickens hatch eggs.
Huh?
Where did Mommy Longlegs go? Oh my god! Giant egg falling from the sky!
Oh.
Mommy Longlegs checked the giant egg. The mother hen breathed a sigh of relief when she saw Mommy Longlegs carry the giant egg.
Oh.
Mommy Longlegs is looking for a way to clean the egg. Mommy Longlegs using wet wipes to wipe. Unable to clean the egg, Mommy Longlegs decided to wash the egg. Oh! Mommy Longlegs used shower gel to wash eggs. Use a brush to brush the eggshells.
Wow.
Wow! The egg was washed very well. Now to dry the eggshells.
Oh my god.
Huh. The egg is cracked. What to do, Mommy Longlegs? Oh, Mommy Longlegs is going to use tape to stick it on. Oh my god, it's the little pony. Mommy Longlegs is very happy to have Pony.
Okay.
Huh?
Mommy Longlegs is using a vacuum cleaner to suck up broken eggshells. Pony is happy to see the floor clean.
Aw.
Okay. Please wait a minute.
Looks like Pony is hungry.
Ooh.
Here it is. Milk bottle for Pony. Huh. Pony doesn't like milk? Pony is crying. What to do? Mommy Longlegs already knows what Pony likes to eat. White radish looks delicious. Pony eats very well. After eating, pony needs a place to sleep. This is Pony's bed.
Huh?
Mommy kisses goodbye and goodnight, Pony.
Good night.
Oh my god!
Ooh, Pony's bed collapsed. Is Pony okay? It turned out that Pony sniffed and collapsed on the bed. Oh, so rotten, so rotten. Twilight Sparkle wakes up Nemo Fish.
What's happening?
Oh, Twilight Sparkle invites Nemo Fish to go to the sea to play.
Huh?
Huh, got caught by the guards. What to do?
No!
Twilight Sparkle has to go back to her room. Stop.
What happened?
Where did the blue dolphin go? I bring food to Princess Twilight Sparkle.
Okay.
Okay, please come in. Don't cry, Twilight Sparkle.
Huh? Wow! What's happened?
Blue Dolphin brought food, Twilight Sparkle. Alright, let's talk to Twilight Sparkle.
Hi.
Huh?
Oh.
Oh, what is the blue dolphin whispering to Twilight Sparkle?
Let's go!
So you're running away?
Okay.
So get out the door. Mommy Longlegs undetectable.
Wow!
Wow, what a beautiful scene, Nemo. Oh my god, Twilight Sparkle has been kidnapped by Ursula.
Oh
Hurry up, Nemo, run and tell Mommy Longlegs.
What happened?
Mommy Longlegs, we don't see Twilight Sparkle anywhere.
Huh?
Nemo, where's the Princess Twilight Sparkle?
Huh?
Use this gem to see where Twilight Sparkle is. Oh, no. Go rescue Twilight Sparkle quickly. Twilight Sparkle now releases the jewel to her hand.
Huh? Twilight Sparkle!
Don't be afraid, I'm here.
Wow! Okay.
Get out of the way so I can cut the door lock.
Huh? Ah!
Okay, let's go, Twilight Sparkle. Huh, how does it get out? Santa's phone is ringing.
Okay. Oh no!
Oh, someone needs help and Santa is on his way. The old man has come to My Little Pony's castle. Looks like Pinkie Pie is feeling very itchy on the top of her head. Oh, why is Fluttershy's hair so messy?
Okay.
Oh my god! Twilight Sparkle's horn is broken and dangling.
Oh my gosh!
Let's go.
Where is Santa taking them?
Huh? Stop!
Oh, so they went to Mommy Longlegs' spa. Oh my god! Pinkie Pie's head has a lot of lice.
Oh.
What happened?
Pinkie Pie has a lot of lice because she's scared of bathing. Pinkie Pie has been pulled inside by Mommy Longlegs.
Oh.
Mommy Longlegs wants to wash Pinkie Pie's hair.
No! Huh?
Pinkie Pie ran away but Mommy Longlegs threw the rope to pull Pinkie Pie back. Oh, Pinkie Pie obediently listened to Mommy Longlegs. She agreed to wash her hair.
Oh!
Shampoo is sprayed on Pinkie Pie's head and now Mommy Longlegs will use a brush to clean it. Next, use a hood to incubate the dead lace. Now take off your hood and flush. Get a towel for Pinkie Pie, then Mommy Longlegs use a hairdryer to dry Pinkie Pie's hair. Okay, Pinkie Pie is clean and pretty. Pinkie Pie was given a kiss on the forehead by Santa Claus, and then Pinkie Pie received another gift from Santa Claus. It's Fluttershy's turn. Come on in.
What happened?
So it turned out that Fluttershy was reading too late, so he fell asleep without turning off the candle. It's okay, Fluttershy. Come inside and let Mommy Longlegs help you. Let's cover Fluttershy's body with a towel. Mommy Longlegs cut all the burnt hair. Wear this wig for Fluttershy.
Thanks.
Take off your scarf, Mommy Longlegs. Oh, it's Twilight Sparkle.
Oh.
Twilight Sparkle's horn is broken. How will long-legged Mommy help Twilight Sparkle? Oh, Mommy Longlegs used glue to attach. Great, excellent, wonderful. Twilight Sparkle has a healthy horn.
Wow!
Fluttershy also received presents from Santa. A very nice hat.
Bye-bye!
Bye!
Be careful, Twilight Sparkle. Don't make Santa fall. Of course, Twilight Sparkle will receive a gift from Santa.
And me!
And Mommy Longlegs too. All have gifts.
Wow!